Hello, my name is Hrishika Thapa, and in this video I'll be demonstrating my completed Joe's Job website for my assignment 2. So this project was developed using PHP, MySQL, PHP unit for testing. Throughout the assignment I implemented the requested client features, improved the structures of the code, introducing controllers, and added automated testing. So first we'll start with the public website. So on the home page, the copyright notice that has been updated to current date, that is 2026. So you can see in the home page, these are the jobs which are ending soon. Here 5 jobs. So this was the another requirement, content creator, etc. And so from here we can directly go to apply for this job and then apply, for example, Hrishika test. Also you can choose a file here and then apply. So the job has a so the job has been applied successfully. So here again in the home page, so talking about the navigation bar, so I've included careers advice in the navigation bar, which was requested by the client. Users can access it from directly here. So here it only contains content. So now the job menus are dynamic. Instead of hard coding the categories, it loads all categories directly from the database. This means that whatever an administration adds a new category, it automatically appears in the navigation bar here and on the category page without changing any code. So here these are the IT jobs. Similarly, human resource, sales, digital marketing. So yeah, same thing, we can also apply it from here. So digital marketing here. Okay, so we can also search by title and location. So for example, I searched for social search, then here by title, here filter, and here by location. So like Buddhanagar search. So this one is for Buddhanagar, so it came here. Similarly, here in all the category pages there is job title and location filter. Also clear filter is here. And now let's move to about section. So here it's just about Joe's job, the description only. So now I'll move to administration area. So here is a login button in the navigation bar, which you can click, and then since I'm already logged in, so first let's log out and log into admin. Here, so after logging in, the administrator can manage job categories, inquiries, and users. Starting with categories, administrators can add new category. When I create a new category here, it is stored in the database and immediately becomes visible on the public website because the navigation loads category dynamically. So here these are the categories. For example, if I add one like test, add category, so here you can see. Similarly, edit category, testing, save category, and then here comes testing. So likewise we can delete the category here. Okay, and let's move to jobs. So here are the jobs, all the jobs. So admin can see all the list of the jobs. So here we can filter, for example, IT only. Okay, so here we can also edit the job. So like edit, and then we do 5000, save, and you can see this. Yeah, so it's easy to edit from here. And so when I apply job button, then it comes here, so we can view the applicants here. For example, this was, I tested this before. Similarly now inquiries. So okay, sorry, we can also delete jobs here. For example, let's delete one of them. Okay, first let's add test. So I added one here, and now we can archive jobs. Archive. So here in the archived, we can see the jobs which we have archived. And for example, if you want to store this job, then restore jobs, and then here we can see the job is restored successfully. So inquiries, so these are the inquiries. So we can mark as complete. So when I do this, it says here that it is completed by admin. So similarly, if other user do that, then it shows here completed by staff, or like the username or the category. So users, yeah, so these are the users, admin, this is the current user. Here we can delete the user. For example, delete this user, then yeah, the user is deleted. So here if you want to add as test 3, let's give client add user. The user is added successfully. Sorry for that. Now let's move to staff. So here we can log out. So whenever we log in, then the system identifies which category of user is that, like whether it's admin, staff, client, or whatever it is. This system will analyze that. So Hrishika, so Hrishika is staff. So here we can see so Hrishika is staff. So here we can add the job. So same process, we can add the job. So basically staffs and admin have the same kind of permission. So if we add job, then here we can see all the jobs categories, also same thing, inquiries, so users also. So that is same. For example, let's add job here. So can see job is added to cells. Okay, so that is same for admin and stuff. So yeah, so let's log out this. Let's move to another user. And also, yeah, if we try to log in for the invalid username, then it shows. Okay, so I think I have this one. For example, test for, like, it says invalid username or password. So yeah, so this is the dashboard of client. So since client have only limited access, so he or she can only view their jobs, and they can add their jobs categories, but they cannot view, or I mean they cannot edit others job, like which are added by other admin. So here the process is same, adding job here. So yeah, here we can add the job, archive the job, do whatever we want to do. So we only have limited access for the client. So this is the dashboard of a client. So this is it. So we can log out from here, and yeah, so this is it. Now let's talk about the code. So here I did these things for automated testing. So for automated testing I used PHP unit. So here I have used this. I have created unit test for controllers, including category controller, user controller, login controller, inquiry controller, job controller. So all tests execute successfully. So here in the word file I've kept all the screenshots of the things which I have tested, like here 21 tests, 555 assertions. Assertions. So here I've kept all these screenshots of the dashboard. So these are all the testings. So I also generated PHP code coverage. So this is the PHP code coverage. In the code I have also here. Where is this? I have coverage. This. And also to improve the maintainability, I also restructured the project by introducing controller classes. Database operations are separated from the presentation layer, reducing duplicated codes and making the application easier to extend in the future. So this is it. This is my assignment presentations. Thank you for watching.